Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier allows tethering and checking remaining data, otherwise you risk surcharges. Next, enable cellular data and Wi-Fi on your phone. Make sure airplane mode is off. Open settings and go straight to Hotspot or Personal Hotspot. This is the first actionable screen. Once there, toggle the hotspot on and change the network name if desired. You do this now so connected devices can discover the correct SSID. It avoids confusion later. Now configure security and performance. Set WPA2 or WPA3 encryption and create a strong password, 12 characters or more, so strangers can't join. Once done, pick the frequency band, choose 4 GHz when you need range, or 5 GHz for faster throughput and less interference. Make sure to limit allowed devices or enable a device list if your phone supports it. That prevents accidental drains. Also consider enabling automatic shutdown when no devices are connected, to save battery and data. Finish by connecting your laptop or tablet. Select the hotspot SSID and enter the password, or add the network manually if it doesn't appear. Once connected, monitor data usage and battery life. Switch to USB tethering when you need to charge while sharing. If a device can't connect, restart both devices and toggle the hotspot. Make sure mobile data is active and APN settings aren't blocking tethering. If problems persist, contact your carrier about plan restrictions or temporary provisioning issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.